Today we are going to make pumpkin green peas potato roast. The ingredients are pumpkin, potato 1 diced, garlic, ginger, tomato, green chili, onion and green peas. The next ingredients are rosemary, thyme, mint, parsley, 2 spoons of coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder and black pepper powder and salt to taste. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in a big onion, slice, and salt. Put in the ginger and garlic and salt. Put in the garlic, and put in the tomatoes and salt. Put in the turmeric powder, coriander powder, thyme, rosemary, black pepper powder and the other ingredients, spices and herbs, and mix to the sauce mat. Put in 2 to 3 ml of oil. Mix. And salt. Put in the green chilies and mix. Finally put in the melon, potato and the green peas into the mix. And mix. pour in 2 cups of water into this mixture and mix. And let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Close the lid. Close the lid and let it cook for 25 minutes. This is the final spicy pumpkin green peas potato roast.